I am Ragnar Lothbrok, born in Denmark, a Viking legend destined for glory. In my youth, Denmark's fjords were my cradle, but life was harsh. Winters froze our breath. My hands bled from hauling nets of herring. My back ached from sowing barley in rocky soil. We huddled in smoky longhouses, the wind howling, dreaming of a better life. Land was scarce. Hunger gnawed at our bellies. Denmark could not sustain us. I saw my kin starve, our livestock thin, our stores empty. Raiding was our way beyond the sea, lay riches, glory, a name to echo through time. I built my first longship, its dragon prow snarling, my heart ablaze with ambition. I would not die, a farmer. I would become a legend. I set sail, my longship slicing through waves, my warriors chanting war cries. In 793, I struck Lindisfarne. England's holy island monks fled, their golden crosses mine, their screams swallowed by the sea. I raided Northumbria's villages, burning halls, taking silver, my name whispered in fear. Back in Denmark, I challenged jarls, petty lords who hoarded land. I slew Jarl Herod in single combat, his blood staining my axe, his lands now mine. I married Lodbork, a fierce shield maiden, her strength binding our clans. My fame grew with each raid, my followers swelling, Ithanunited tribes, my banner a raven flying over Denmark. I became king, my throne built on the bones of rivals, my heart set on greater conquests. In 845, I led 120 longships up the Seine, the river dark with our shadows, Paris in my sights. My warriors roared, their shields slamming, axes gleaming. In the dawn, we struck on Easter Sunday. Frankish bells tolled in panic, their walls trembling as we scaled them. Arrows rained, fires raged, the city's wooden gates splintered under our battering rams. I saw their soldiers flee, their banners trampled in the mud. King Charles the Bald, pale and trembling, sent emissaries begging for mercy. I demanded 7,000 pounds of silver, a fortune in glittering coins, to spare his city. They paid, their hands shaking as they filled my ships. I laughed, my voice echoing over the Seine. My power undeniable. Paris was mine, a triumph to sing of in sagas. But fate turned dark. In Northumbria, King Law captured me, his hatred burning for my raids. He threw me into a pit of writhing snakes, their venom searing my flesh, my screams echoing as I cursed him. I vowed my sons would avenge me, there. Wrath a storm to come,